If you want to keep your chimney safe and working right, you gotta watch out for bird or animal nests blocking the flue because that can cause smoke and dangerous gases to back up in your home. So, first off, if you spot a nest in your chimney, don't just reach in there with your bare hands. Use gloves and a mask to protect yourself from dirt and possible droppings. Next, carefully remove the nest using a chimney brush or a long stick, making sure not to push debris further down the flue. After clearing it out, it's super important to install a chimney cap with a screen. That little thing keeps birds, squirrels, and raccoons from moving in again but still lets smoke escape easily. Check the cap regularly for damage or buildup, especially after storms or heavy winds. Also, keep your chimney clean by scheduling annual inspections and cleanings with a professional chimney sweep. You can even put up some deterrents like fake owls nearby to discourage birds from nesting close. Remember, keeping that flue clear helps your fireplace work better and keeps harmful gases like carbon monoxide from sneaking into your living space. One of the biggest mistakes people make with chimney nests blocking the flue is ignoring the problem until it causes smoke to fill their house. This can be fixed by doing regular checks before winter hits. Another common issue is not installing a chimney cap or having one without a proper screen, which just invites animals back in. Get a high-quality cap with fine mesh to stop this. Lastly, some folks try to remove nests themselves without safety gear or proper tools, risking injury or pushing debris deeper. It's way safer to either use the right equipment or hire someone experienced to handle it. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle chimney issues like nests blocking flues safely and efficiently. Plus, it helps contractors by connecting them with real homeowners looking for their services, making it easier to grow their business.